How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix Arctis Nova Pro microphone being too quiet in Discord and games. So first things first, if there is a microphone knob that increases the audio gain for your microphone, just make sure that it's turned all the way up. Now, once inside Discord, just click on this user setting, click on voice and video, and then of course you want to select your microphone. Now in my case, I'm using this SteelSeries Sonar. You can also see your microphone gain right here. The first thing that you want to do is to simply disable the voice isolation, because sometimes this can occur with glitches and it will lower down the overall volume of your microphone. So just select something like studio or custom, and then you want to turn off and on some features on this page. And then once inside our Windows setting, navigate through the sound setting. And then same thing with the input. You want to make sure that your microphone is turned up right here, because if you actually adjust this, it will then lower the microphone volume right here. So just make sure that it's turned all the way up. Click on your microphone. And then what you can try is to also use different formats and see which one works best for you. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.